The podcast that still mentions IPL.
MCG में तो सब होता है साला दल्ला कहीं का स्टेडियम.
लॉर्ड्स में सबके पेंटिंग्स है सारे लेजेंड्स के एंड there's वन लेजेंड जिसका फोटो था, पेंटिंग नहीं था. सचिन तेंदुलकर का फोटो था. दिस इज एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर क्रिकेट फैन. सचिन का एक पेंटिंग रेडी हो गया है. द पेंट इज ड्राइंग इज व्हाट ही सेड. Sachin will probably inaugurate it most probably during July में जब India is playing England in Lords.
Guys, exclusive. We are wearing headphones also, so it looks like there's like ground coverage happening. Pointing at Garware Pavilion.
इधर जा रहा है इधर.
ये देख पीछे.
अरे बाप रे, Willie Bowden makes an appearance.
क्या बोला रोहित भाई के बारे में?
Antriksh has sent us a link saying there is rumors IPL is scripted this year. Oh, what a shocker. Welcome to Crickheads episode number 46. Who is it for a reason?
It is nobody. कौन है? तेरा नाम क्या? Please let us know who is 46 number.
Yes.
कोई नहीं है ना?
Struggling to find a good not good, just to find a cricketer, relevant cricketer with that number.
You mean Vaibhav Suryavanshi?
वैभव सूर्यवंशी भाई एक ही क्रिकेटर है सबके मतलब
दिमाग में जो 2 AM क्लब का हिस्सा है. 2 AM क्लब.
यस जो आई मीन नॉट विद स्टैंडिंग द फैक्ट कि अभी हैज वी रिकॉर्ड उसका लास्ट इनिंग 0 of 2 है, ये तो कोई नहीं बोलेगा.
50 का एवरेज चल रहा है 2 मैचेस में.
ठीक है, एवरेज अमेजिंग फॉर T20. बट हाँ, आई गेस 46 नंबर हम डेडिकेट कर सकते हैं टू वैभव सूर्यवंशी. दिस इज हिज टाइम.
Yeah, what is his actual number actually?
मैं गूगल किया, कुछ दिखा रहा था 12 या कुछ दिखा रहा था आई गेस.
12 तो उसने 2 साल पहले डाला क्या 12 अपना नंबर?
he has outgrown that number. Let's just put it that way.
Like his waist.
और एक और वेबसाइट पे 18 देखा मैं. So I don't know which is his
Which
actual
is
number.
he's aspiring to be 18. That's it.
Oh yeah, in age and also in terms of longevity. Shout out VK, the original king. Not forgotten him.
Arey yeah. We can't forget VK, man.
We
Come
cannot
on.
forget VK, the legend.
No forget. Yes.
We still have at least 10 more years of Kohli, if I'm not mistaken.
Easily, man. At least in T20. In fact, I was telling this to someone yesterday. I have a prediction, bold prediction, that in 2 years' time, they are going to say, like how they changed the rule for Mahendra Singh Dhoni, that he's now an uncapped player.
Yeah.
They are going to change the rule for VK and Rohit Bhai at Jaddu, that anyone who has not played international T20 for 2 years plus is now an uncapped player.
So already the plan is in motion, I think, with with Virat for sure.
Yeah, Virat and Vaibhav Suryavanshi will be uncapped together.
That's the dream, man. That's the dream. I think Virat will play till one of his kids starts playing cricket. Till that age, he will continue.
Yeah, he'll smash. What is his other? I don't know his son's name. I just know
I'm
Bhamika.
not sure. I don't know what their names are or what they look like because they keep putting a smiley on their face, which I respect.
His children actually are called Daft Punk then, because you don't know what they look like. both wear helmets.
And they're both feeling lucky because they are born to Virat and Anushka. बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है life में.
Okay, coming back to another international episode. See, Crickheads is like such an international. Like that's why I'm speaking in English, because I think it's time for great cricketer to step aside.
That's
and
right.
the real podcast of
the podcast that still mentions IPL. He who must not be named.
Yeah,
we are not scared.
Yeah, Big Basket, move over. Nature's Basket, if you need a new,
That's right.
You want to sponsor someone?
Nature's Basket, we're doing a free shout out. This is a great opportunity to jump on this rival.
This organic podcast, like
That's
your
right.
vegetables.
That's right. Join us while we are small, when we can say anything we want. That's our idea. Use us when you can. Until later, we'll just be saying India Cricket League.
India Cricket League. Yeah. India Cricket Premier. Yeah, you can't say any.
What is the famous video game, bro, where the names, Brian Lara Cricket, where the names are all wrong?
It's EA Sports 2007, Tendehar,
हाँ
Dravia,
हाँ, तो
Sevilla,
हमें तेंडियार
Lexman.
ड्रावियार पे आना पड़ेगा अभी बाद में।
बहुत जल्दी। मैंने
हाँ।
इसके लिए टी शर्ट भी आधा ही रखा है ताकि लोग कुछ फिर
Oh,
कंप्लेन नहीं कर पाए।
oh, speaking of which, and so getting back to what you said, this is an international episode because abhi, as we speak, I am in
He's
London,
in London, and
Londonium,
I'm in
and
Mumbai, which
Mumbai,
is really I'm depressed.
the
In
sister
Bombay, coming
cities,
back.
the
Yeah.
two sister cities, and
लॉर्ड्स में
I
आया भूत।
लॉर्ड्स में आया भूत। मैं लॉर्ड्स गया था कल, एंड वील पुट अ फोटो अप टू प्रूव मैं एक्चुअली था, एंड दैट्स
भाई हम
लवली।
लोग एक महीने में एमसीजी और लॉर्ड्स दोनों
हाँ,
गए हैं।
थोड़ा
मा-
ज़्यादा कर लिया मैंने इस, बट कैन आई ऑल्सो ऐड, मैंने दोनों स्टेडियम में एक बॉल क्रिकेट नहीं देखा है
मैंने
अनफॉर्चुनेटली।
सेम, मैं भी 5 साल पहले गया था वहां, और इस
हाँ,
बार एमसीजी
मैं
और
एमसीजी में मैंने ऑजी रूल्स फुटबॉल का पिच देखा, विच इज़ नो
हमने
पिच।
पिच ही नहीं देखा।
हाँ,
एक भी पिच नहीं था।
और लॉर्ड्स में मैंने रियल टेनिस देखा। तूने रियल टेनिस देखा था जब आया था तू?
क्या बात कर रहा है?
So
वो
there is
तो
a
विंबलडन
sport.
में होता है।
नहीं, there is a sport called real tennis, which is not
ओके,
tennis. It's
ओके,
like a combination of tennis and squash. And वो
ओके।
सबसे पुराना रैकेट स्पोर्ट है, आई गेस 1300 से खेल रहे हैं लोग। यू गाइस
क्या
कैन
बात।
गूगल रियल
मैं
टेनिस।
मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, एक सेकंड, क्या
और
बातें कर
उसमें
रहा है
क्या
तू?
होता है कि बहुत छोटे
हाँ,
अजीब से रैकेट्स होते हैं, एंड दे यू हिट द
हाँ।
बॉल अलोंग द वॉल एंड इट बाउंसेस 3-4 टाइम्स इन सर्विस एंड कम्स टू यू। और टू
ओह,
टू 80-year-old मैन वर प्लेइंग दिस। लॉर्ड्स में एक है, एक
ऑफ कोर्स
रियल
लॉर्ड्स
टेनिस
में
का।
तो you're a young gun if you're 65, like
या उधर ओ
you're a,
ऑल्सो क्या क्रॉली, क्या जैक क्रॉली से मिला मैं इन लॉर्ड्स।
क्या
ही
क्या
वाज
बात कर
जस्ट,
रहा है?
बिकॉज मिडिल सेक्स का गेम है आज, एज वी आर
हाँ,
रिकॉर्डिंग, कल मैं गया था लॉर्ड्स, तो ही वाज
हाँ।
जस्ट वार्म अप में वो नीचे आ रहा था फॉर
What the fuck?
फॉर वार्मिंग अप, एंड आवर गाइड वाज लाइक, जैक व्हाट्स द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट प्लेइंग इन लॉर्ड्स, एंड जैक स्टॉप्ड एंड ही वाज लाइक, yeah, it's the home of cricket, isn't it? It's just lovely, it's just so beautiful. And then he went, it
उसको
was
भी सबने 5-5 पाउंड मिला रहेगा ये बोलने के लिए। लाइक
guest
जैक
appearance.
कितना लंबा है वो? तेरे से भी बहुत लंबा
बहुत
रहेगा
लंबा
ना?
है और स्ट्रांग है। एवरी आई डिडंट नो ऑल, देयर वाज मोस्टली काउंटी प्लेयर्स, सो आई कुडंट रिकॉग्नाइज
हाँ,
मोस्ट ऑफ देम, बट दे वर ऑल
या।
लाइक स्पेसिमेंस, ईच वन
ओह
ऑफ देम।
मैन, ओह
इनक्रेडिबल,
शिट।
क्या
दे
फीलिंग था ब्रो। इधर तो एटलीस्ट क्रिकेट हो रहा था, इट वाज फीलिंग गुड कि
हाँ,
क्रिकेट स्टार्ट हो गया है, मतलब बिकॉज
हाँ,
लॉर्ड्स में
ये
और
लॉ
कुछ नहीं होता है।
एमसीजी में तो सब होता है साला।
हाँ,
दल्ला कहीं का स्टेडियम। अभी नाउ दैट आई एम इन इंडिया आई कैन से माय ट्रू फीलिंग्स टुवर्ड्स
लॉर्ड्स में
नॉन।
कभी दुआ लिपा परफॉर्म नहीं करेगी, लेट्स जस्ट पुट इट दैट वे।
और रॉबी विलियम्स।
या,
या
और रॉबी विलियम्स प्लेड एमसीजी।
एमसीजी दैट वो
हाँ
पूरा दिन नहीं देखा, वो पिंक कलर का उसका सूट वो लोग ने फिर ऑक्शन
हाँ,
किया था एंड
करेक्ट
ऑल ऑफ
करेक्ट, ओ
दैट।
या, इट
बट
वाज इन द डिस्प्ले, हाँ।
yeah, and their main sport is AFL, and I think it was an AFL
या
performance.
एएफएल सीजन चल रहा था।
So
तो सॉरी, द
yeah,
रीजन आई ब्रॉट दिस अप इज लॉर्ड्स में सबके पेंटिंग्स है, सारे लेजेंड्स के ऑब्वियसली,
uh,
एंड देयर इज वन लेजेंड जिसका फोटो था, पेंटिंग नहीं था।
अजीत
एंड
आगरकर।
नहीं, वो जो तेरे टी शर्ट पे जो पेंटिंग है वो
Oh,
सचिन तेंदुलकर
चंडीगढ़।
का फोटो था, एंड
Uh,
बेसिकली सचिन, दिस इज एक्सक्लूसिव फॉर क्रिकेट्स फैन,
uh,
सचिन का एक पेंटिंग हो गया है, रेडी हो गया है। They're
oh.
just waiting. The paint is drying, is what she said, and they're
सारे
waiting.
इंडियन जाके बोले नहीं हम फूक मारते हैं, जल्दी लाओ।
हम अपने दिल से फूंक मारेंगे, and
हाँ,
Sachin will probably inaugurate it, and most probably this is during July में जब India is playing England in Lords,
इंग्लैंड। Oh,
तब
guys,
तब
exclusive.
exclusive,
This is
cricket's
exclusive.
exclusive.
Oh my, I can't believe we've just given out the most.
मैन, कितना एफर्ट लगाते हैं हम तुम लोगों के लिए गाइस, कि
हम
इधर नीचे टिकर डाल देंगे, सचिन एक्सक्लूसिव, सचिन पेंटिंग टू बी अनवील्ड इन लॉर्ड्स इन जुलाई।
Yeah, and we are wearing headphones also, so it looks like there's like ground coverage happening about this.
Yeah. Breaking news. So good news for Sachin people, Sachin fans.
I hope it's not like the Wankhede Steve Smith debacle. I hope there's good painting.
It's not
But
like,
even
हाँ,
MCG has the Bradman and Sachin
the
photo.
famous photo which they said
Yeah.
you can take a photo but don't put it on online, ऐसे कुछ बोला था।
नहीं वो
But
तो कुछ नहीं है। अभी डाल दूं इंडिया से, क्या करेंगे?
but yeah, I'm in London, तो as a result of that, और because मैं इधर shows करने आया था और थोड़ा लंदन देखने आया बीच में, मैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्रिकेट का एक गेम नहीं देख पाया बिकॉज इधर मेरा जियो हॉटस्टार भी नहीं चल रहा है
नहीं चलता, मेरा भी
प्रॉक्सी
ऑस्ट्रेलिया में नहीं
सर्वर।
चल रहा था
हाँ
ऑनेस्टली। मैं बॉम्बे आते ही डिप्रेस हो गया पहली बात तो, कि
हाँ
ओनली थिंग दैट्स कीपिंग मी गोइंग इज मुंबई इंडियंस करंटली नंबर वन।
वो बैक टू द टॉप।
हाउ डिड दिस हैपन? लाइक आई वाज लाइक अच्छा ये तो खेल रहे, एक दो मैच जीते ये वो, बिकॉज सेम वो लोग स्टार्टिंग में हारे दो तीन मैच, तो आई थॉट लाइक चलो इस सीजन भी सीएसके और एमआई साथ में
या
नीचे रह सकते। कट
या
टू at the top, and yesterday's performance, we are recording
या
this after the
एब्सोल्युटली इनक्रेडिबल।
Mumbai RR game. They are like at
या
1 plus NRR. So
Yeah, they scored 200. Firstly, Pandya came to bat at 4. Is that what he does nowadays?
ye-
Or 4 or 5,
ye-
something?
yeah, he's looking confident, I guess. So they are,
Incredible, man.
yeah,
और
48
सारे
run.
बैटर ने मार दिया yesterday, right? All
रिकेल्टन ने मारा, इसने रोहू ने मारा
रोहित
अपने बर्थडे
रोहू
बॉय।
भाई मार के रोहू भाई के बाजू में एक एरो, ही शुड गेट अ एरो टैटूड ऑन हिज हियर, इम्पैक्ट सब टैटू की एक रेड एरो की। अच्छा चलो मेरा बैटिंग खत्म, बैठ जाता हूँ मैं। सॉरी फॉर अननेसेसरी रोहित शर्मा अटैक, बट पीपल आर
पॉइंटिंग एट गरवारे पवेलियन।
किधर जा रहा है? इधर।
ये देख पीछे,
अरे बाप रे, विली पाउडर मेक्स एन अपीयरेंस।
क्या बोला रोहित भाई के बारे में? अरे
पीआर टीम, रोहित भाई क्या पीआर टीम इज बिगर देन वी थॉट। विली पाउडर आ गया।
he has a stand now apparently.
Oh wow.
Vitthal Divecha stand is now going to be renamed, or it is already renamed to
रोहित
Rohit
शर्मा
Sharma
स्टैंड।
stand. हाँ।
ब्यूटीफुल
वो
ब्यूटीफुल।
स्टैंड में से वड़ा वड़ा पाव मिलेगा वाह।
FNB better be good in that stand. That's what I'm thinking.
So
हाँ,
I'll tell you what has happened.
please tell
Nothing.
me, please.
Honestly, nothing has happened. So there was 2 week gap where I did not watch any cricket. Then I
Yeah,
came back on Sunday. I was sad for 2 days because I'm
yeah,
like, why am I back in this heat where I can't do
yeah,
anything?
yeah.
And cut to, I was watching like last 2 3 days I've been watching CSK matches. I've stopped watching out of cricketing principles because I'm like they're so bad, and there
Yeah.
is so much of idol worship in that team
I think
that
CSK matches, watching it just at this point will feel like a failing religion or
yeah.
something. कि मतलब गॉड को वर्शिप कर रहे हैं पर कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे गॉड।
थोड़ा आमिश फीलिंग आ रहा है।
आमिश। बट CSK, इट इज़ वेरी सैड। आई फील CSK फैंस भी आजकल नहीं देख रहे होंगे। मतलब ये मैं गैदर कर रहा हूँ नॉट फ्रॉम बाय नॉट वाचिंग IPL, बिकॉज मीम्स से ही पता चल जाता है सब द ब्रॉडर इश्यूज। एंड वन इशू CSK अभी भी 4 पॉइंट पे है। एंड who else is struggling? RR is struggling after
RR is
Vaibhav
struggling.
Suryavanshi one match again. They're back to usual.
RR had a good match, of course. Vaibhav Suryavanshi, the new schoolboy, poster
Yeah.
schoolboy.
Barely 14, by the way. 13 hai wo, if you think about his age. He's 14 and 32 days he was when he hit that century.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's like hardly. He's what, 2011 born?
I stop thinking about this because मेरे को stress हो जाता है ये सोच के कि
Yeah.
people are even born at these years.
Yeah, dude, it's like I'd gone with like Devesh's son.
हाँ
Devesh was also there, right? So
हाँ
his
हाँ
son was also there for the trip.
हाँ
So
हाँ
he had to fill some 2 3 forms. So I was helping him fill his son's form. So in the date of birth, I had to write 2020, and I was like, oh shit, my hand couldn't go there properly. I was like, ये कैसे लिखना होता है year में? तो
Oh man, वो स्क्रॉल बार में मतलब इन अ ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू मतलब एकदम पहले ही आ जाएगा ये नंबर। यू डोंट हैव टू स्क्रॉल एट ऑल। और
yeah,
हमें एवरी ईयर वी हैव टू स्क्रॉल मोर बाय 1
yeah.
millisecond. It's just so annoying.
Man, it's crazy. Imagine being a school kid at this point who's an aspiring cricketer who
Yeah,
has like
imagine
Vaibhav
going to
Suryavanshi
school.
goals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
imagine going to school at this day and age when you know कि whatever you learn in class 2 will be
Yeah.
relevant by class 6 because इतना
Yeah.
टेक्नोलॉजी आगे मूव हो गया है।
By class 3 almost, actually.
या सब प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर बनो भाई, और कुछ बाकी नहीं है।
Yeah, but he has scored 100 के बाद he has scored a zero,
Yeah.
which we will not discuss much. It was
Yeah.
a free kind of shot,
It's-
but
he's-
it's
it's a
good.
yeah, he gets one free hit like that to go
Yeah.
for it.
That too on bowling of Deepak Chahar, but Mumbai is looking indispensable.
That's unnecessary stray attack on Deepak Chahar.
No, I actually really like Deepak Chahar.
मुझे क्यों
but-
तोड़ा मोमेंट फॉर दीपक चहर।
I actually like Deepak Chahar because he's like Bhuvi with pace. So like it's
Yeah,
actually and like he
yeah,
can actually get the ball moving. But imagine like it's like an out of syllabus thing, right? Like we are
yeah,
planning against Bumrah and then
yeah.
suddenly trick question pe you get out,
That's
which
the
is
power
Deepak
of
Chahar.
Bumrah, but ki everyone else takes the wicket, even on the day he doesn't.
Yeah, and by the way, कल दो बार ये मुंबई मैच में दो हैट्रिक मोमेंट्स आए जो हुए नहीं. एक बुमराह का,
Oh,
दूसरा इम्पैक्ट सब करण शर्मा सॉरी,
Karan Sharma.
कर्ण शर्मा, KRN में
Yeah.
कर्ण अर्जुन आएंगे.
Oh, so they got
So
two, both got two wickets back to back.
two wicket, yeah, and Chahal got a hat trick before
Yeah,
that.
Chahal hat
Uh,
trick I heard about,
yeah,
which included someone big, right? First wicket was someone important, if I'm not mistaken.
yeah, it's all a blur right now for me.
Was it
It's
against
all.
CSK? Who were they
I
playing?
think it was against CSK. Yeah, I think so.
I
Let me
think
check
MSD
actually.
को आउट किया नहीं नहीं मे बी आई एम
नहीं
रॉन्ग.
नहीं, MSD को भी शायद किया हो सकता है बिकॉज उसने ऑफ पे कैच पकड़ा, लॉन्ग ऑफ पे. लेट मी चेक, गिव मी 1 second. आई थिंक इट वाज, you might be right actually. Yes, you are right. Dhoni was one of them. Then
That's
Deepak
right.
Hooda, Kamboj, and Noor Ahmed. Like four
भाई
wickets
दिस इज द पावर ऑफ MSD कि मैं
of
बिना क्रिकेट
divorce.
देख के अंदर से समझ गया मैं कि धोनी मतलब आई नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट धोनी क्या हो रहा है इन माई
uh,
गट आई फील इट
uh,
एंड इसलिए मेरे को नींद नहीं आ रहा है रात में ठीक से आजकल बिकॉज वाइल आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्लीप धोनी इज अवेक ट्राइंग टू विन a game for CSK mostly or strategize how to win and
yeah.
let me also say which we will put up the photo again if required कि लॉर्ड्स में मैं गया था तो सबको एक टैग नंबर देते आईडी कार्ड पढ़ना
हाँ
पड़ता है टू
हाँ
से यूर ऑन द टूर एंड मेरा
हाँ.
टूर नंबर इधर डिस्प्ले होगा
Oh
मेरी
my God.
साला फॉर अ
Oh
रीजन.
shit. एकदम बड़ा बड़ा डालना अंतरिक्ष इसमें एकदम लाइक
हाँ मैं
के
फोटो
जैसे
दिखाऊंगा.
4 होता है ना, वैसे तू 777 डालते रहना. बट
Yeah,
टेल मी वन थिंग, लॉर्ड्स में मैलब, एक्चुअली यू शुड कॉल इट द मैलबोर्न क्रिकेट
the
क्लब,
Marylebone
लिटिल
cricket
ऑफिशियल,
club. Yeah,
the long room and like old
yeah,
people.
yeah.
Did you go into the dressing room, both the
We
dressing
went to
rooms?
the home dressing room. Away dressing room
हाँ.
में जाने नहीं दिया हमें because basically अभी Middlesex there's a county cricket going on.
Oh
So the long
yeah.
room में काम चल रहा है. They are
Oh.
fixing a lot of things. So
Hmm.
long room was not. We could only see it from outside.
Okay.
And the home ground we went and away sorry home change room we went.
Home changing room. Huh? Oh, which
And
is on
away
the right
change,
side.
yeah, and away change
Yeah.
room we saw from across like the ground, and they, of course, the guide was like, "That's where your favorite
Favorite.
Saurav
Yeah.
Ganguly took off his t-shirt."
Was it an old man
This was
like
an
who's
old
giving you a
woman.
tour? Old woman. Okay, I had an
Yeah,
old man, and I had an old
yeah.
woman at MCG.
Acha, yeah.
And
Mine was the
same thing
other way.
happened to me that
Huh,
acha, okay,
huh,
at MCG I went to the only the home
huh,
dressing room because away
huh,
was filled for AFL, so we
huh,
couldn't
huh.
go there. But yeah, उधर हम लोग को बोला था when we went to the home and away both in Lords के, all the Indians, I must request you, please don't go topless in the
Yeah, yeah,
balcony.
same. Yeah, मैं भी बोला था. तो
और
because
सारे written jokes.
they have kept Ganguly's jersey. You would have seen over there. Have you
Oh
seen?
no,
So in the
I
museum
missed it.
upstairs, museum है
Uh,
starting में ऊपर they've
uh,
kept that Ganguly jersey, and
oh
they said we
nice.
because it's against the rules to take off your jersey in Lords, and so as a punishment we took all his match fee and then we took his t-shirt as well, and then she said we request you not to take your t-shirts off, and I was like because next tour में फिर मेरा भी t-shirt रहेगा गांगुली के t-shirt के बगल
तेरी मैच फी भी कट होगी.
में मेरा.
Like the guy who's signing checks on
Oh
the ground.
man,
Shit, I forgot his name. The guy. Okay, fuck it.
which guy?
अरे अपना जो अभी साइन करता है ना जमीन पे यार, अपना क्रिकेटर इंडिया का, LSG का,
Oh, um,
दिग्वेश. Is
is
it
it
Digvesh?
Digvesh? Digvesh is the one I think.
I think it's Digvesh
वो जो
only.
पूरा he keeps
Digvesh
losing his match
Rathi.
fee
Yes,
ना.
yes.
He keeps
हाँ.
losing his match fee for all kinds of reasons.
Yeah, but
हाँ.
that's what's happening. Abhi to honestly, like top of
But
the table. Hmm.
अभी क्या चल रहा है in terms of so it's Mumbai and RCB is also doing well. You've not mentioned
So,
RCB भी अच्छा खेल रहा
oh
है.
yes,
Please,
sorry. I completely forgot to mention
how dare
your
you?
team. And also Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar, and I think Sai Sudarshan.
Bro, Surya is back in a purple
yeah,
patch.
yeah, with orange cap.
Yeah, and Sai
Purple patch as
Sudarshan.
a purple patch as a batsman in IPL means you're losing
Oh,
wickets.
oh
Like,
yeah, purple cap.
yeah,
Yes,
and
orange
orange is
patch.
like orange patch, like your background right now.
That's right. Orange
Bhagwa
is
boy.
the new black.
I think Bhagwa boy in London should be the title of this episode.
Yeah, man, no comment.
But
But
I'll tell you, I have one fun thing to say. You're talking about teams that are losing, right? Of course, Rajasthan Royals is just like their coach right now,
oh
Langada Tyagi
god,
Bahubali,
oh
which is,
god.
and there is Chennai, which is on principle not watching much. But Sunrisers Hyderabad has also at number 9, and today they have a match against GT, and they were in
GT.
Maldives for a retreat.
Oh
they,
wow.
they left India.
Play so bad that your team management takes you to Maldives. This is the
And yeah, and they put like Kavya Maran's photo everywhere, so it looks like she's also gone with them
she's not
for
gone.
the rain. I don't think so. She's going for the
Yeah,
team
why would she?
retreat.
Yeah, why would
Yeah,
she's like the only time I don't want to go to Maldives is when my whole bloody team is there. मैं अपने दोस्तों के
yeah.
साथ जाऊंगी.
So they are at number 9. They have had a retreat. So tonight is their match against GT. So let's make a prediction between you and I. This will be over by the time it comes out. But
I
I'm saying
predict. Can you go for it?
I think SRH will still lose today after the retreat,
I
after
think
taking their mind off.
I think SRH is off to Mauritius tomorrow. Maldives से काम नहीं हुआ.
Before the next match, cover all
Yeah.
Indian Ocean.
I
I don't
think we
know.
both are, in a position where we, even though I'm got SRH background right now, I should be
Yeah.
supporting them. But
Yeah.
we've supported SRH too much and given them too many opportunities. We've
So
said
how
so many
much
times that they will
shit on our
bounce back.
fucking face? Like
Yeah,
we were like, oh, they are going to destroy. It's SRH of Deccan Charger first year IPL,
yeah,
where
yeah,
it is full
totally.
star power and it's so weird that their management has been the same. I think if I'm not wrong, their captaincy is still the same. Their core is
Yeah,
still the same. Plus, a
yeah.
Shami has been added, and I think one
Yeah,
more another
there is
key.
no explanation for why they've fallen. The management, who's their coach? SRH's head coach?
The coach is Daniel Vittori.
Daniel Vettori.
Yeah, let's see 2025 turnaround after struggle. Who is, yeah, it's like an head coach. Uh, एक second back. Daniel Vittori as the head coach replacing Brian Lara. So, yeah, and they were like runners up
Hey,
in the last year.
this is I again. We don't have to delve into the exact details, but my gut feeling is Daniel Vettori
Hmm.
has not succeeded as a coach anywhere so far. वो काफी coaching कर लिया है उसने. He was
Okay.
he was working with the Australia team. Remember, he was their bowling
Oh,
coach or
yeah.
something, and everyone was like, "How can a Kiwi be a Australia anything coach?"
He was RCB coach
RCB coach, and
and then
the moment he
Caribbean
left, RCB is killing it.
Barbados Royals का also he was a coach.
Oh, Barbados Royals का पता नहीं क्या scene
And
है.
Australia men's national team.
Bro,
And now
can we
he's
just talk
Sunrisers
about
Hyderabad.
how beautifully, since we are not great cricketer yet, we can talk how beautifully this whole ecosystem has been created by our great cricket board. कि तुम
Yeah.
पूरा दुनिया घूमते रहो एज अ रिटायर्ड क्रिकेटर कोच दिस
Uh,
टीम 2 months फिर इधर चले जाओ इधर कोच कर लो 1 month life is sorted man
BCCI is the real Vishwaguru.
yeah for sure
Is is this year's IPL ये क्या भेज रहा है अंतरिक्ष देख?
अच्छा Antriksh has sent us a link saying there is rumors IPL is scripted this year oh what a shocker
Oh, this is a
is
Reddit thread. The
yeah
most accountable, the
is
most
IPL
reliable.
20 I'll just read it is IPL 2025 being scripted for betting addicts. Hear me out. It's just this isn't just another conspiracy. It's a pattern. Oh, all the words indicate conspiracy only. They're
What is
saying
this? Hmm.
this year's IPL has been chaotic. Teams defending scores as low as 111, momentum swings. Everything here I feel happens in every IPL. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा why this IPL we are distinguishing from any other IPL.
Exactly. And Antariksh, what the hell? You don't fucking watch cricket and then you share a conspiracy theory. Are you like some Andrew Tate supporter? Like, what is happening,
I think
Antariksh?
he's trying to get us to lose our Nature's Basket contract even before we get it.
Yeah, so that's what's happening so far. Apart from that, you are in London and you're back what next week? So
Yeah, by
एक और
next week
हफ्ता हो
we are
गया.
normal programming resumes. हम लोग every week we will be back on IPL and certainly building up to the final. We plan to do something very special. We will not reveal अभी, but
Yeah,
कुछ
because you have to
होने
still
वाला है.
decide. Yeah, कुछ तो
Yeah,
हो सकता
कुछ
है.
तो होने वाला है. So we will be back in the same place and do something for the IPL final. And
Yeah. So
apart from that,
apart from that, first tell me top four right now is Mumbai RC. So bottom में we discussed of course Rajasthan, Sunrisers, Chennai,
as
LSG of
usual, we
course,
discuss the
Rishabh Pant,
bottom. We
bottom
discuss the
four.
bottom more than the top as usual.
Everyone discusses the top four, man.
Yeah.
Like we start at the bottom and we are still at the
We-
bottom. In fact, even LSG like Rishabh Pant memes have been made quite a lot. And Sanjeev Goenka is
Oh.
gonna have yet another bad year. And
Ah,
even like
man.
Kela Rahul did not give him gave him thoda
Yeah.
snark if you saw that
That was
video.
pretty awesome. That's Rahul is like a new era of Rahul has begun. His bad boy
Yeah,
era has started.
but they are currently on they were doing well, but
Yeah,
they've
they're
suddenly
sort of
thoda
middle
sa
of the
lost.
table, huh? I think
Yeah,
they'll bounce
and
back. I have a good feeling about LSG this year. Sorry, not LSG. In my head, he's still
Delhi.
LSG. Delhi this year. That's the power of Goenka. He stays in my head
Rent
rent
free.
free. As I assume he stays wherever he goes. All these memes about Rishabh Pant saying to Goenka, Sanjeev Goenka, long drive pe chale. These are the memes that are trending.
Or in the with the MRF ZLX
Yeah.
tire for sheer comfort and long life.
Oh man, you are an unofficial ZLX
I
stan.
am अगली बार मैं दो टायर यहाँ लगा के I'll do CrossFit games with MRF ZLX tires.
Oh
But
man.
but yeah, even talking about like just because I like to talk about the underperformers,
Yes.
just like myself.
Yeah.
Kolkata as well as the unfortunate, I would say two
Yeah.
very close games. One 240 something they were chasing, 4 runs se haare. Then that 111 wala match, so I didn't even watch, but I heard about it.
Crazy.
Where they got all out. Otherwise, they would have actually been at like 6 games. Like then they would
Yeah.
have been like in the content right now.
I think except for Chennai, SRH, everyone else still has a chance, right? Or maybe RR
Rajasthan
also.
and Chennai are out. SRH will
Okay.
be out tonight mostly, like
Ah.
after the game, and
Yeah.
everyone else has a chance. But KKR also mostly out only.
They're on
LSG, I'm hope.
KKR is
Yeah,
on 8.
KKR is on 7.
Oh, okay.
Rajasthan is on number 8, and so
No,
Rajasthan and
points. I'm saying KKR
अच्छा
is on 1
points.
point.
Okay, KKR is on 9 points
Ah, अच्छा.
right now. हाँ, मैं points देखता नहीं हूँ, मैं सीधा टेबल देखता हूँ. कितना मेरे को पॉइंट समझ नहीं आता. 2 पॉइंट 1 पॉइंट क्या गिनते रहते हैं.
I think I forget again. If there's like a number, if you get 18 points or something, you're done or something. There is like
Like
a,
Mumbai is almost, I think now Mumbai maybe needs to win like 1 or 2 games at best. And
yeah,
so
Mumbai,
that like
the momentum is crazy. By the way, just to say, since when sometimes we get things right, we should gloat about it. मैंने बोला था at some point कि Mumbai, I have a good feeling about Mumbai. They will bounce back, and this was when they were just starting to win. It's not okay. I didn't
yeah.
say it before they won a game. I said it after they won 1 or 2.
But
Kill
RCB
कर रहा है.
also, you said पहले से कि this is the year and they are number 2 and they are 1 match less actually. So
Yeah.
they are, if they like वो 10 में से 7 जीते हैं, मुंबई 11 में 7 जीता है. तो if
It could very well be an RCB Mumbai season, which would be for viewership the absolute blockbuster.
peak,
Because-
yeah, and just
Yeah.
put Dhoni as like I don't know water boy or something in that game.
Wow, dude. हमारे Chennai fan base तो पागल हो जाएंगे. I wonder
Yeah.
if we have any people who support Chennai in the comments. Let us know who you're supporting this season.
And why you're still supporting? Yeah, who are you
because
supporting?
meaning who's your second team? Because Chennai, you know, is not winning. So
Yeah.
who would you back second team and why? And as a RCB fan, lifelong, you can understand my bitterness towards Chennai. So let me enjoy this moment and be
Yeah.
like, Who are you supporting this year, and why
The
is it
the
not RCB?
the Kaveri Derby. It's
Yeah, it's running dry in
be-
Chennai right now for sure.
yeah, before the Indus River issue, it was always the Kaveri issue.
Yeah, the floodgates are not opening.
As the sandpaper gate, it's floodgate with the
I
floodlights.
it's so crazy how first match of the season Chennai absolutely killed it, and I still
Yeah.
remember कि they were like, oh, spin friendly track, spinners absolutely destroyed. अभी यही formula repeat होगा, धोनी will once again make it to the
Yeah.
knockouts. And
Ah.
what a beautiful turn of events.
Now the only way
KKR
they
is so.
can make it is if they have a few unexpected plane crashes,
Oh my.
like that's the only way. I think that's about it for now. We ought to do some predictions. We'll predict Monday onwards because this weekend anyway. This weekend is basically going to decide like cement the top four, whoever the
Yeah.
top four is. Maybe one
Yeah.
or two teams will have like one of those uncertain moments
Sure.
where then they'll go into the next week, I feel. Yeah, it feels like a pretty dead rubber kind of situation right now. Like
So,
that it's not going to make a difference.
हाँ मतलब since this will be out, we can make, just for the sake of the audience making fun of us, let's make a prediction for the weekend games, how
Weekend
they would
also.
have
So
gone.
then okay, chalo, let's do that. So today is GT versus SRH and Maldives return versus Ahmedabad. Maldives versus
Main.
the Lakshadweep. It's tonight. Daman and Diu.
I'll go with GT. GT will win. I think we are both
Yeah,
in GT.
GT. Okay, come on. Then tomorrow is your favorite. There are one game tomorrow. Royal Challengers versus Chennai Super Kings, which is Kaveri Derby.
Whoa, the
Oh,
Southern Derby.
yeah.
With, I mean, you know what's your prediction? You know what I'm saying.
I'm going to say CSK.
Ah!
I'm going to stick my neck out for CSK so that RCB doesn't win.
Come on, man. I really hate that you're saying that, but चलेगा ठीक है. I think
Chal.
I'll say RCB. RCB will
Of
destroy
course, I
Chennai.
want to say RCB. Then Sunday is great match, which is a dead rubber. KKR versus Rajasthan. I'm already predicting
I
it to
think
be a dead rubber.
both should
But
take a joint flight to Maldives. Oh, actually, in their case, Kolkata actually, Andaman Nicobar better होगा, एकदम पास है.
I thought you were going to say Bangkok. वो भी काफी पास है कोलकाता से. Lot of
But
options for Kolkata for a retreat. Yeah.
KKR versus?
Rajasthan. I'm going with KKR because I still feel it's a solid team. I think they've been slightly unfortunate.
I think they will.
And it's
Four
time
day
for
load पे.
Rinku to peak. Rinku
Dude,
is gonna peak.
Rinku needs to slap back. Oh, that's one thing we forgot to discuss. Did you see the Kuldeep slapping Rinku?
No, I didn't see that. What
Why
is it?
Kuldeep slapped Rinku 2 times as a joke.
What?
As a
अच्छा.
joke, but it feels real. And people
What
are
are
like,
you
ऐसे कैसे
saying?
कर सकता है? हाँ, 2 बार थप्पड़
Slapgate is
मारा.
back.
And people
Slapgate
are
is
like,
back.
Rinku ka aura fully gone after this slap.
And in fact, everyone's saying a lot how Garib Rinku because
Yes,
he's not
so
been doing.
these avatars are really funny in IPL this time. It's Garib Rinku, it is Shubman का भी कुछ था एक.
Some नहीं, Giga
Different
Chat
bat,
Rinku ही था.
without the sponsor wala bat, Shubman, I think.
हाँ.
Then there is pre-hair transplant Shami. He's a legend.
Pre-hair transplant, there are many. Amit Mishra, I don't think he's playing this year. But
Akshar Patel. Actually, Akshar Patel post hair transplant is killing it. He's
killing,
he's the-
yeah.
it's really
Yeah.
worked for him. But
I have to go and see this Kuldeep versus
yeah, you
Rinku.
please see Kuldeep versus Rinku slab, and it feels, I don't know, people are saying it's a joke, दोस्ती में मतलब दोस्तों में हो जाता है, but the second slap felt really hard. You can
Oh,
check it out.
nice. So,
First
okay,
slap
so,
was fine. हाँ,
okay, we have 4 minutes. Sorry to cut you off.
ठीक है, हाँ.
So,
So
let's do
KKR.
Yeah, 1 second. Huh? It's KKR. So I'm saying KKR against Rajasthan Royals, but I'm predicting a Vaibhav Suryavanshi comeback in that game.
Oh, like how much?
A swift 35.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's like thrice his age almost.
Yeah, let's fuck the Rajasthan Royal victory or defeat. Let's predict Suryavanshi's score.
I've also heard breaking news कि राजस्थान रॉयल्स को सेरेलैक के साथ ब्रांड मिल गया है. after Vaibhav Suryawanshi's performance. And Mammy Poco pants also.
And also action shoes.
Action.
Action. Yeah, so
वो light
Rajasthan.
वाले, right? Light वाले. Pichik, pichik, pichik.
So
ठीक है.
I'm
Suryavanshi
predicting
come back but
35.
loss. हाँ.
You're saying how much Suryavanshi scored?
Suryavanshi 18.
18. Nice. Yeah, his aspiration. So then that's when he gets the car keys to his sports car. Till
That's
then,
right. License to drive.
Yeah.
Straight
Okay, then
drive
there's
nahi. हाँ.
Punjab versus LSG.
Oh, that's a good game. Both teams are trying to make it.
I
both
think
teams have a
Punjab.
chance.
I'm saying Punjab.
I'm saying LSG. I'm saying
You're saying
Versex,
LSG.
Goenka. Yeah.
Okay. I'm saying Punjab because they are also in hot form, except like, okay, maybe they are at like, and they are at number 3. So, and they have had only 1 loss, 1 no result and victory. Okay. Chalo. So then, this is like 1 second. There's I think 1 more game on Sunday. I lost. Acha, no, it's done. Till Sunday.
Cool.
But since this will come out on Sunday, let's do a Monday one also. Just
for Monday, let's make a prediction.
Just, yeah. Sunrisers Hyderabad.
So that we are statistically not wrong about 100% of what we've said. Because one of these is in the future at least.
Yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, we should do 2 then actually. Because Tuesday also is a good game. Let's do this. Sunrisers Hyderabad versus Delhi on Monday. I'm going with SRH. I think
back to backing SRH.
After the Mauritius trip, I think they will be doing well.
2 beach retreats later, they'll be back. Yeah, I'll give it to SRH. I think SRH has that kind of... they have to fire one more time at least in this season.
Yeah.
One more Abhishek Sharma mental masterclass. And
a lot of firing will happen after this season.
Yeah. And then, the last game and then we'll wrap
up. Okay, Mumbai versus Gujarat. We have 1 minute left. I'm going with Gujarat.
What? क्या कर रहा है भाई? अपने टीम को बैक कर भाई.
अरे भाई मेरे बॉम्बे आके मूड खराब हो गया है बहुत तो मैं
अभी गुजरात जाके देख एक बार गुजरात जाके देख वापस आ जाएगा मूड. I will go with Mumbai. They're in killer form and
it's at Wankhede also. But I'm saying 1 match to GT just for away game, just for their confidence for the playoffs.
Bold. I'll make another bold prediction. Rohit Sharma will be bold.
I thought you were going to say it's going to rain in Bombay or something.
We have no time, so it's you've been awesome. We've got to wrap up.
Awesome people.
See you next episode. GN.
Please pay us money so that we can get premium
Nature's Basket
Zoom recording. Nature's Basket premium Zoom recording. It'll end soon. Bye guys.